Hello everyone, today I am going to explain how to install a VirtualBox in Windows operating system. VirtualBox is a free software that lets you create a small computer inside your main computer. This way you can run another operating system without disturbing the main operating system. What is the use of this VirtualBox? The main use is you can practice many things, like you can test tools, and it is also a safe environment for doing ethical hacking. Now let's talk about Kali Linux. Kali Linux is an operating system created for cybersecurity and hacking practices. It already comes with many tools like Burp Suite, Nmap, and many more. So you don't need to install all these softwares one by one like in Windows. People use Kali Linux to find weaknesses or to practice ethical hacking. When we install a Kali Linux in a virtual box, it creates a safe environment where we can practice many hacking techniques. It's like a safe environment for ethical hacking. Now you know what is VirtualBox and what is a Kali Linux operating system. I'm going to tell you how to install a VirtualBox and how to create a virtual machine on that box and how to install Kali Linux operating system in it.
Now I will show you how to install VirtualBox. I came to the official website where I can download the VirtualBox. So I click on download. It shows various VirtualBox platforms. As my platform is Windows, I'm selecting Windows. And here you can see the VirtualBox is getting downloaded. I have already downloaded the VirtualBox many times, so I'm just going to the VirtualBox. uh, the downloaded VirtualBox. So here's the downloaded VirtualBox looks like. I'm clicking on it twice and click yes for this. Now the wizard opened. Now click next. Accept the terms. Click next again. Do not change any changes here and click yes and click yes again. And here click next and click install. In few seconds this will get installed. Yeah, there you go. So click on finish and the box automatically opens. Yeah, this is the home page for Oracle VirtualBox. This is the complete installation of VirtualBox. Now let's discuss how to create a new virtual machine in this and how to add Kali Linux virtual operating system into this virtual machine. So for that part, first we need to have Kali Linux virtual machine. So Kali Linux operating system. And for especially for this virtual box, we don't need a complete operating system. We just need ISO image of operating system. So for that, let's go to Kali Linux official website, and there you can see the installer images. So here we have different versions in it, different extensions here, torrent, some. So all we need is .iso image file. So click on download. As I have already had Kali Linux ISO image downloaded, I'm not downloading it completely. So I'm going to the my folder again, and here you can see this is my Kali Linux ISO image. You can see the properties here. Yeah, it is an ISO image. So coming back to our virtual box, now we need to create a new virtual machine. For that, click on new, and here we need to give a virtual machine name. So I'm giving it as Kali Linux. And this is a folder where all your activities of VM will be getting stored. So I'm not touching that part. I'm just directly going to uh, ISO image. So here we need to add the ISO image we have downloaded earlier. So just click on other and this one. Click your downloaded ISO image here and click open. Here, for the VM folder, if you like to choose any other drive like D drive or E drive, you can choose it over here. So I'm leaving it as default. So coming to the next part, set up unattended guest OS installation. For the basic installation, we don't need this one. But if you have specific to this, this will be a complete different part. So I'm not touching this. And next I'm gonna open virtual hardware. Here you can set hardware. Now it's like 4 MB. Maybe you can make it to 4096 MB. Yeah, which is around 4 GB. And now you can increase your CPUs to 2 based on your hardware. And here we have hard disk, same like our main operating system disk. We will be having some virtual disk for each and every operating system, like for each and every virtual machine. So here we can go up to 400 MB to 2 TB. So I'm keeping it as 25 as it is. I'm not changing anything here. And that's it. These are the settings I usually do when I install, when I create a virtual machine and select ISO image in it and click on finish. Now you can see your Kali Linux virtual machine is there, and all you just need to is click on double tap, just double tap, and it is powering VM up. Now it is asking for graphical install, so just select that graphical install and wait for a minute. Yeah, here select your language and the location and the keyboard configuration. When compared to OS virtual machine, uh, like Kali Linux is way more speed. Kali Linux virtual machine is way more speed in installation process. So yeah, so I'm keeping hostname as Kali and continue and domain name and just click continue and set up users and passwords. Give the new user, so I'm keeping it as 3 and continue. Yes, and password. Yeah, keep your password strong and click on continue. And according to your desired clock, just select that. So, according to my understanding, I always use the entire disk. So, I'm clicking on it and continue. Yes, and yes. Click on yes. It's almost done installing the bootloader. Click continue and click continue. Oh, sorry. Click continue here and select this hard disk. Yeah. So click on continue and there you go. The system is getting restarted. Now you can see Kali Linux. Yes, this is the main screen for Kali Linux operating system, and you need to enter the login user ID and password. So yeah, there you go. So my account have been created already. So I get to log in now. And here, this is the Kali Linux operating system. Uh, you can see the terminal here, and when you want to see all the applications, when you want to use any of the application, you can go here and search over here. You can get. Now I would like to give you a quick recap. We have installed and downloaded and installed a VirtualBox and created a virtual machine and added our Kali Linux operating system to that virtual machine. Here, on the main computer, which is Windows-based computer, we have used a VirtualBox and we have installed a new operating system on it and using it. So one computer, two operating systems.